Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are taking you to one of the most famous and spiritually important cities of Iran. Yes, we are talking about Mashhad. This city is known for its rich history, magnificent religious landmarks, and cultural importance. Not only is it one of the largest cities in Iran, but it is also among the most visited pilgrimage destinations in the world. So let's begin this exciting journey. So friends, this is Mashhad city, one of the most important and beautiful cities of Iran, known for its historical significance, religious heritage, and modern development. The city is located in the northeastern part of Iran and serves as the capital of Razavi Khorasan province. Mashhad lies in the Kashaf River Valley and is surrounded by mountain ranges that add to its natural beauty. If we talk about the size and importance of Mashhad, it is the second largest city in Iran after Tehran and is considered one of the country's most significant cultural and economic centers. Millions of visitors travel here every year from different parts of Iran and the world. Well friends, did you know that Mashhad is one of the most unique cities in Iran, where the women are often admired for their elegance, beauty, and strong cultural values? Not only that, but the city is also home to the magnificent Imam Reza Holy Shrine, which makes it one of the most important religious destinations in the Islamic world. Not only that, but Mashhad also plays a major role in trade, industry, and education. Due to its location near the borders of Afghanistan and Turkmenistan, it has long served as an important commercial hub connecting Iran with neighboring regions. Although Mashhad is famous for its religious importance, it is also a rapidly developing modern city. New roads, shopping centers, hotels, and public facilities have transformed it into one of Iran's leading urban centers. If you are traveling through northeastern Iran and notice grand boulevards, modern buildings, and large numbers of pilgrims from different countries, there is a good chance that you have entered Mashhad city. Mashhad is not only a modern city, but also a place with a remarkable historical background. In ancient times, this area was known as Sanabad and was located near the historic city of Tus. The city gained importance after the burial of Imam Reza in the year 818 AD. Over time, pilgrims began visiting the site in large numbers, and the settlement gradually developed into the great city now known as Mashhad. In fact, the word Mashhad means place of martyrdom. Throughout history, the city witnessed the rule of various Persian dynasties and even served as the capital of Iran during the Afsharid period under Nader Shah. Today, Mashhad has a population of more than 3 million people, making it one of the largest cities in the Middle East. From a cultural perspective, the city is known for its hospitality, religious traditions, Persian culture, and vibrant local markets. People from different ethnic backgrounds live together here, contributing to the city's diverse atmosphere. Now friends, let's learn about the transportation, infrastructure, and tourist attractions of Mashhad. The city is well connected through highways, railways, and air routes. Mashhad International Airport is one of the busiest airports in Iran and connects the city with many domestic and international destinations. The railway network also plays an important role in transportation, with regular train services linking Mashhad to Tehran and several other major Iranian cities. And now friends, let's finally explore some of the major tourist attractions of Mashhad. Number 1 on our list is Imam Reza Holy Shrine. This magnificent shrine is the most famous landmark of Mashhad and attracts millions of pilgrims every year. Its stunning architecture, beautiful courtyards, and spiritual atmosphere make it one of the most important religious sites in the Islamic world. Number 2 is Tomb of Ferdowsi. Located near the ancient city of Tus, this monument is dedicated to the legendary Persian poet Ferdowsi, the author of the famous Shahnameh. It is one of Iran's most important cultural landmarks. Number 3 is Kusangi Park. This beautiful park is one of the most popular recreational areas in Mashhad. Surrounded by hills and greenery, it offers visitors a peaceful environment and spectacular views of the city. So friends, this was our wonderful journey through Mashhad city, Iran. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Thank you.